Okay, so what we need to do is we need to have a single variable that can contain multiple values. That's what an array is. We saw before that the type of an array looks like this. With these little square bracket guys. By adding these square bracket guys, we're actually telling the compiler to not just have a string that can contain one value or one bit of text. We're telling it to contain multiple values. So if I wrote a string, names variable, and I instantiated it using the new operator to a new string of 5, that will take too long to draw, a new string of 3, what we've done is names now contains 4 buckets. It could contain 4 string values, or 3 string values, as opposed to just being able to contain 1. And that's because we created an array and we've instantiated it to have 3 slots in it.